Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to continue our grenade model, and in this video we are going to unwrap this model. So let's start. First I'm going to delete all these duplicated objects. So go to top view and select all these cylinders and delete, and also one of these wires. Let's unwrap this top. So isolate this first and also go to create and select this camera based mapping. You can also use cylindrical mapping, but for this component I'm going to use camera based. So select this object and go to edge mode. Make some seams, so select this edge. And this one. Then this one and this edge. Deselect this edge and the edge on the top. Now go to your UV editor. In the edge mode, press shift right click and use cut. Now go to UV mode and select all these UVs and use unfold. Now select these faces. These faces won't be visible in our model, so we don't need them. So let's select them and delete. The UVs of this cylinder is kind of weird, so let's select this edge and use cut. Now go to UV shell, select this and use unfold. And it's much better now. Now let's select all of them and again use unfold. To fix the orientation of this shell, select it and use orient shell. Do the same for this shell and this one. So we are done with this cylinder. So let's unwrap this wire. Isolate this and use the camera based mapping for this one. Now go to edge mode, select this edge and this one. Go to your UV editor, add a cut, then go to UV mode, select all of them and use unfold. And use orient shell. You can also use straighten UV to straighten some of these UVs. So let's try that. Select all these UVs, press shift right click, go to straighten and select straighten UV. And our UVs are straightened. So again go to UV shell and select this shell, use layout. Now bring back your model and let's unwrap this one. So select this and go to create and use camera based. Again go to edge mode and select the seams. Now go to your UV editor. Again use cut, UV mode and select the UVs, then unfold. And to fix the orientation, use orient shell. Put them in a layout. So our grenade top is completely unwrapped. So let's unwrap this wooden stick. Go to create and use cylindrical mapping. Close this envelope. Then go to UV editor, go to shell mode, select this shell and use unfold and use orient shell. So we are almost done. This is the last part. So again, isolate this first. So let's use cylindrical mapping for this one. Close this envelope. Now go to your face mode and select these faces. And the faces on the top. Go to create and use planar mapping with y-axis. Go to shell mode, select all of them and use unfold. Now select all of them and use layout. So we have unwrapped our grenades, so let's create the duplicates. Go to top view and select this, create a duplicate and place this here. Go to right view and pull this up. Now go to top view again and press D to enable the pivot mode and X to snap it to the grid. Place the pivot here and then create a duplicate. Rotate this. And then press Shift T again to create more duplicates. Now select this wire and go to front view. Create a duplicate of it and place it where it was before. Now select all these tops and these components, combine them, go to your UV editor and in the shell mode select all of them and then use layout. Now select these wires, combine them also, and in the UV editor go to shell mode and place them outside the grid. Now select these wires and these grenades, combine them again. Select the UV shells of these grenades and make them a little bit smaller. And now select these wires, rotate them and place them inside the grid. Now select this stick and apply a new material. Apply Arnold standard surface and rename this as wood. And select these grenades and assign a new material. And rename them as metal. Now select all of them and go to edit, use delete by type history. Now I'm going to select all of them and then combine and rename this as low poly, and create a duplicate and rename this as high poly. I'm going to select my high poly and use smooth with 2 iterations. Let's select our low poly and go to file, then select this export selection. And export this as grenade low, and select the high poly and export this as well as grenade high. So we have completely unwrapped our model, and next time we are going to texture it in Substance Painter. So that's it for today, and if you like this video then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.